Stepping into forever, here comes Jason De Luna, Maria Bernadette A. Bautista.
Their journey is marked by loyalty and great affection. Here comes Raymond Elder Peña and Corinne Valenzuela.
Don't be afraid. I love you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. All alone I believe I'll find you. Time is more hard to me. I love you for 1,000. United in love and ready for a lifetime. Please welcome Cirilo Gutierrez and Mary Jose.
A couple whose bond reflects strength and tenderness. Here comes John Ambrosio and Rosemary P. Butalan.
We're ready to build the future as one. Please welcome Marlon P. Garcia and Johan Vergara.
Their love is a melody of faith and happiness. Please welcome Franz Ross Altari and Hanisine Agoy.
Love has led them to this beautiful moment. Here's Melody Andres and Bernie Villalona.
A love story filled with youthful hope and promise. Here comes Robin Hood B. Barnechea and Angelica A. de la Cruz.
To our dear couples today, you are not just making a promise. You are building a foundation for your future families. You are choosing to grow together, to face challenge together, and to celebrate victories together.
And to the
Inaalay ko ang aking puso. Mula sa araw na ito, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Ang puso ko ang magiging iyong kanlungan at ang aking mga bisig ang iyong magiging tahanan. Tinagat ni Ama, di Anak, kay Espiritu Santo. Amen. Ayan. Nagganyan na po. Okay. Sa ating mga nobya naman po, pakihawakan po yung kamay ng ating mga kasintahan yung nobyo at ulitin niyo po ang aking sasabihin. Sabihin niyo lang po kung ano yung tawagan niyo bawat isa. Mahal, sa singsing na ito, inaalay ko ang aking puso. Mula sa araw na ito, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Ang puso ko ang magiging iyong kanlungan at ang aking mga bisig ang magiging iyong tahanan. Dinagat ni Ama, ni Anak, kay Espiritu Santo. opisyal na mag-asawa, Mr. and Mrs. Pipili na kayo na ako, itutulitan kayo. Congratulations po at palakpakan po natin po sila lahat. So, amuyan na po ito sa marunong.
You make kiss the bride.
Ito po matakalan po kasi may premyo po mamaya, yung long distance. Ha? So yung mga kumukuha po na magpipicture po, credit po tayo. Ha? Ayan. So dapat po, with feelings naman po, kasi kayo yung papakita yung pagmamahal.
You were just a dream that I was dreaming.
And a heart to heart, please welcome Eric Bautista and Hazel Joy Hugo.
As endless as forever, our love will stay together. You were all I need to be.
A prayer is not carrying words with courage and devotion. Our couple, Jefferson G. Gitobang and Miss Jel A. Sigoma.
You're all I need to be with forever.
With smile full of hope, here comes Sunny, Dylan, and Jennifer Mejia.
United by faith and friendship, now stepping into forever. Here comes Francisco T. Bautista and Jessa V. Penn.
A partnership ready for forever. Let's welcome Christian Burgos and Julian